Day 23. Got a candy this morning, and it's a little elf. And day 23. Oh goodness. Let's see, this one is Bois Blonde. Good morning. It's Saturday when I'm filming this, Sunday when you guys are watching it, but I am off to Starbucks first for the first time this week. I know, I'm kind of proud of myself. I'm gonna go get coffee for Mama B and I. Then I have a Mary Kay delivery to do, and we're gonna go check out the house, see how it's looking for this week. And then we have lots and lots and lots of holiday baking that's gonna go on today. We're making gingerbread men. I'm making the Reese cup cookies that I've made here on the vlog in the past because I make them every single year. And also making Pignoli cookies, which are like these almond Italian cookies that my grandma used to make every year traditionally. I carried on the tradition last year and made them for the first time. My grandpa loved them. Okay, verdict. Is it good?
What is it good?
Is it like grandma's?
Yeah, same thing.
Same thing? Oh, wow, good. And obviously neither of them are with us this year, but I want to carry on the tradition. And they're my favorite cookie. I think they're my stepdad's favorite cookie too. And so I'm going to make those too. They're almond and pine nut cookies. They're so good. A lot of you said that you recognized them when I made them last year on the vlog. So I'm probably not going to go over every single recipe today, but I will make sure to link down below every time I've done the recipe, because we've done the gingerbread men on the vlog, we've done the Reese cup ones, and we've done the Pignoli cookies. So I'm gonna link those down below so you can still grab those recipes. But of course, I'll kind of like film a little bit of footage as I'm doing things today so you guys can still get the feel of everything. And all right, off I go. Wow, it actually looks like a whole house right now. So this front area, you guys, is gonna be my beauty room. And we have a 3-car garage. It looks so good. Our neighbor's house is not the same model as ours. Ours is a little different. Just to give you guys an idea, it's probably still hard to see, but here are the stairs. Mama B is going up them. Hi. And then we'll have like a little opening here. Perfect for a Christmas tree. And that's a courtyard. Then we have a closet here. This is where I'm gonna put a little table, like an entry table. This is Chris's den. It's huge. My goodness, we're gonna need a lot of furniture. Then if you go this way, we have a little half bath. And then this is my beauty room. Ready for it? It's huge. I don't know if you guys can tell, but it is so big. I've never had this big of a space before. I'm so excited. And then I have a nice big closet over here too, which will be nice for some storage. I'm just gonna show you the downstairs today. All of our bedrooms are upstairs. And then you walk through the hallway here, and on this side is gonna be the living and dining room. And then on this side we have the courtyard, and we're going to have a huge open slider that completely opens. That's why there's a big space here. And then through here is the kitchen and huge family room. That's our yard back there. And then here is the kitchen, or will be the kitchen. This will be our island, obviously. It's probably hard to tell on camera, but hopefully you get an idea. Then this is gonna be our laundry room. It's pretty big too. And then through here is our pantry. Our walk-in pantry is here. Then we're gonna have like a butler's, not butler's pantry. What is that called? Like, you know, where there's storage and stuff with tabletop and storage all up here. And then this is the garage. And it's a 3-car garage. There's like space back there for the 3rd car. All right, getting ready to make the Reese cup cookies. Mama Bee helped me unwrap all these Reese cups.
Now we're making gingerbread too.
Yeah, Mama Bee's making her gingerbread man recipe. I've also got my grandma's Pignoli Cookie Recipe here that I'm gonna do next after I make these. Baking day success. We've got a whole bunch of chubby gingerbread men to decorate for tomorrow. Got our peanut butter cup cookies that are always a hit, so I make them every year. And we got our pinolis that are also traditional for us to make every year. Ta-da!
Little piping on the spoon, that little attention to detail is good. I love the shaping of your tweed as well. It's very nice.
All right, so I am here in my editing spot, I would say, and I'm going to finish editing the vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed the little bit of baking footage that I did today. Literally, I just spent the entire day baking with Mama Bee. We actually did go and visit my grandparents' resting place as well, just to say Merry Christmas to them and yeah, just have our moment with them. And then on my drive home, I realized that today is the anniversary of my accident 2 years ago. Those of you that are newer to my channel, first of all, hi and welcome. Second of all, I had a pretty severe car accident. I'm not gonna talk about it like all over again because no one wants to hear that again. But I'll link the video down below if you're curious as to what I'm talking about if you're newer. But yeah, it like semi-freaked me out on my drive home because I was driving home at around the same exact time 2 years ago when I got in the accident. So yeah, it's just crazy to think about how much has changed, and like I'm just so thankful. So very thankful for my family, and especially my mom who helped me get through that time. My mom and stepdad especially. And just thankful that, you know, I'm able to go on living and blessed with so much this year. And yeah, I know, I don't know why I'm getting all sentimental now, but I'm really serious. And yeah, just gonna try and make this a good Christmas. Look how beautiful my tree is. I just can't even. I really don't want to have to take it down when it's not Christmas anymore. Okay, guys, I'm gonna leave you here. I will see you tomorrow for Vlogmas Day 24, which when you guys watch it will be Christmas Eve, which is when we celebrate, me and my family celebrate Christmas. So Gavin and Chris are gonna be celebrating with my family on Christmas Eve, and then I'm going to be celebrating with Chris's family on Christmas Day. So much excitement to come.